et avegen. Et, that's the sign of the direct object. So he served. What did he serve? That which is sitting in the noun which is in front of the aleph tav, and that is the word father or fathers. And whose father? It's your father. Okay, your father. So these are some examples to show you how these Qal Perfect Past Tenses appear. They appear all the time in every sentence almost. Okay, we're going to look at the plurals next. Slide 102, Lesson 6, the Qal Perfect Past Tense, and we're going to look at the plural table now and the plural examples. So the first example, Halchu B'nai Yisrael. Halchu B'nai Yisrael. Sometimes it's B'nai Yisrael, but sometimes it's V'nai Yisrael, just depending on where you're reading it in the sentence. Because in Hebrew, tend to run the words so that they run smoothly from the lips. So sometimes it's Ben-nay and sometimes it's V'nai. So here, Halchu V'nai Yisrael. B'nai Yisrael is the children of Israel, or the sons of Israel. Halachu means they walked. They walked. So here's the verb form here. It's the third person common plural. So the sons of Israel, they walked. The sons of Israel, they walked. Halchu V'nai Yisrael. Okay, let's have a look at another example. V'lo zakru b'nai Yisrael et Yahweh. V'lo zakru. V means and. Lo means not and not. Zakru. Zakar means he remembered. Zakru means they remembered. So it's the third person common plural. Zakar means to remember. Zakru means they remembered. V'lo zakru. V'lo zakru. And not they remembered. B'nai Yisrael. So the children of Israel did not remember. And who did they not remember? Et Yahweh. They didn't remember the Lord. Again, there's the direct object. The sign of the direct object, sorry. But the sons of Israel, they did not remember Yahweh. So that's the third person common plural. So let's have a look at another example. Again, there's lots of words here that you should begin to commit to memory. The main thing, of course, in this lesson is to learn these verb forms. Shamru, shamatim, shamatin, shamanu. And we've just used shema as an example. So, this one here, Kaspi u zahavi lakachtim. Kaspi u zahavi lakachtim. By the way, with this chet, try and get the ch going. Don't go k. It's a ch. So you got to work on your ch. You know, if you're in Texas, you need to spit in the spit bowl. Chew some tobacco. No, don't chew tobacco. It's not good for you. But you need to spit. You need to get that ch going. If you're of Scottish extraction, maybe you won't have too much trouble with the ch. There might be some Scottish genes in there somewhere. Alright, let's look at this. Kaspi, kesef means silver. Kaspi is my silver. Again, that's a pronominal suffix meaning my, that little yod there, changing the noun from just silver to my silver. Kaspi. U zahavi. U, that just is an and, that vav, that shurek, vav with a dot in it. It's just an U sound, but it's still just the same meaning as this one here that has a V sound. It just means and. U zahavi and my gold. Zahav is gold. So my silver and my gold. Kaspi u zahavi lakachtim. Lakachtim. You have taken. Lakach means to take. Lakachtim means you took. So, in English, ye have taken my silver and my gold. Joel 3:5. Ye have taken my silver and my gold. Kaspi uzahavi lakachtim. So in the Hebrew, the words are in a slightly different order. In the Hebrew, it says, my silver and my gold you have taken. But in English, we say, ye have taken my silver and my gold. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Oh, by the way, that's a second person masculine plural there. Okay, next example. Velo shematim. Velo, and not, just like this one. By the way, sometimes they translate the and as but or something like that. In any case, it just means and. It's just joining the rest of the sentence on. So the word but can sometimes join the rest of the sentence on in the same way. Velo shematim, and not shematim. Shema, Shema Yisrael. Shema means to hear. Shematim means you heard. You heard. Velo shematim, and not you heard. And you would not hear. Right, let's have a look at it. By the way, that's a second person masculine plural again. Just that one then. The tim, adding the tim to it. You, meaning you. You heard in this example, and you took in that example. Okay, the next example. Va'atena yadatin ki bekul kochi avadti et avechen. We've had a look at this word before. It's actually the same quote as a previous example. Avadti et avechen. Okay, avadti. That means I served. This one here, yadatin. Yada means to know. To know. Yadatin means you knew, and that's to a group of women. Yadatin. Okay, so this is, and ye know that with all my power, va'atena yadatin ki bekul kochi, with all my power, for with all my power, for ki, with be all, kol kochi, my power. Koach is power, kochi is my power. And ye know that with all my power, avadti et avechen, I have served, avadti, I have served your father, et avechen, the chen here, ichen means your father, avechen. So, with all my power I have served your father. So this is Jacob speaking to his wives. So this is a feminine form, va'atena yadati ki bekul kochi avadti et avechen. So you're going to learn some words That's the main thing here. Learn some words and learn these verb forms. Shamru, shamatim, shamatin, shamanu. Halchu, zakru, lakaktim, shamatim, yadatin, avadti. So it's everywhere in Scripture. Last example. Matzanu mayim. Matzanu mayim. Matzah means, this is not matzah as in the unleavened bread, that's spelled with a hey. This is matzah as in found, found. Matzanu, matzanu. We have found. Mayim, water. Mayim. We have found water. And that is the first person common plural. This one here. Matzanu. Matzanu. We have found. So there's some stuff to learn, and just take your time. Well done. We're going to have a break now. It's time to put your feet up for a little bit. We're stopping a little bit earlier than usual, just simply because that's a lot to take in. That those few slides, there's quite a bit to take in, and the second half of the lesson is going to be quite a bit longer. So before you go on to that, maybe you want to go over the first part a few times so that you get it. In any case, in the second part of the lesson, we will look at the vav consecutive or vav relative and its relationship to time, and we'll look at the vav consecutive and how it's used on the Qal Perfect verbs.